architectural drawings of this current project.
Yeah, look at that. Get a nice visual in there. Here's the entrance to the bathroom. So you walk in here. On this side is going to be the toilet with a little cavity slider. As you can see. I think that's glued. Is it glued?
Every single part of this jib board is glued like crazy to the MDF studs. And because MDF is quite weak, when you pull on it, it just wants to tear with the jib. I mean, look at it. It's just crazy. It's actually called Tough Wall as well. We've had to pull up this shower base in one piece because it's glued and tiled together, and the pipe and plumbing, it's got old shower water. It's really gross.
This is like probably one of the main reasons why I never wanted to be a plumber.
Yeah, be a builder, kids. Part of it's taking the smells very seriously. We got the shower out. Glad to get rid of it.
Yeah, hopefully they take the bin now.
So we've got two big bins there. It's about 6 cubic meters of rubbish that needs to be taken away. So now we're going to take up the floor, the whole floor.
And nothing but the floor.
Damn hot.
But hey, the floor's up. Check this out. Those are all snails. Snail shells. I think all the snails are vacated. Oh my god. Feeling hot there, Pato?
Yeah, pretty fucking warm, man.
Dripping with sweat.
Fuck yeah.
And for any carpenter watching, you'll know that this spacing is far too wide for a bathroom floor. We need a lot more structure in there. It is currently 600 mils spaced apart. So what happens is it all sagged and then the tiles moved. And when tiles move, they separate. And when they separate, water gets in. Check out the MDF walls. Oh my god.
Glued.
All MDF studs, MDF. This is pine, thankfully. The actual exterior of the house. But everything in between is MDF. Now we get rid of these snails. Pato's waiting for me. I better hurry up. The supports under the joists, the posts, are too far apart as well. So we have to add posts through the middle. We have to add an extra joist in between every joist. And then nogs around the whole perimeter. Probably nogs in the middle as well. A lot of timber. But it's going to be fun. What's going on here? We're currently at the woodwork shop where we buy vacuum bags. Then we're going to pick up some concrete and get all set for this week. Don't know if you can see the sag gap between that tyre and the gap between that tyre. There's a bit of weight in the back. How much? 9 times 4, what's that? 36.
36.
So 360 kilos. 360 extra kilos right there. It's sagging like crazy. Hey! Oh, Scott Brown here. So we've just, nearly. We just picked up all the concrete for the posts that we're going to do at this bathroom to secure the bathroom floor, but we thought, why not spend a bit of time skateboarding around? Hey! I missed it. concrete, all here, ready for tomorrow. We can add posts. You excited about that, Pato? He's not ready. Maybe we can maybe we can get some stuff together for a Pato Bell's guide to smoker. Pato Bell lunchtime, you know, like
could be a goer.
Chef Pato. That's the word I'm looking for. Chef Pato can be back in action
Show you how
soon.
to cook some porridge with some peanut butter.
Exactly. Make my fucking videos more interesting.
Get another fucking 3 subscribers.
Yeah, I'm 28 now. Come on, I want to get to 30. Oh. Maybe once I show this plan, bro, I'll get a few more. You after some architectural services?